आइटम नंबर 16 श्रीमती स्मृति ईरानी जी। नंबर 17 डॉक्टर मनसुख मांडविया जी।
Sir, I, pursuant of the provisions of the Direction 73A of the directions by the Honorable Speaker, Lok Sabha, I wish to inform you the House the status of the implementation indicated in the statement being laid on the table of the House of various recommendations contained in the 118th and 125th and 119th and 124th reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare in respect of demand for grant 2020 and 2021 of Department of Health and Family Welfare and Department of Health Research respectively.
आइटम नंबर 16 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी।
Honorable Chairman, sir, on behalf of my senior colleague Srimati Smriti Rani ji, I want to make the following statement regarding number one, the status of the implementation of the recommendation contained in the 314th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resources Development on demand for grants 2020-2021, demand number 100, pertaining to the Ministry of Women and Child Department. Number 2, the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 326th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports on demand for grants 2021-2022, pertaining to the Ministry of Women and Child Development.
आइटम नंबर 18 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी। 18
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, the item number 18, on behalf of my colleague Shripad Naik, I want to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 283rd report of the Department related Parliament Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demand for grants 2021-22 pertaining to the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways.
तेली जी।
मैं आपकी अनुमति से निम्नलिखित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगे 2019-20 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित श्रम, भ्रष्ट और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के पहले प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति, श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2020-21 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित श्रम, भ्रष्ट और कौशल विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 5वें प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति, श्रम और रोजगार मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2021-22 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी श्रम, भ्रष्ट और कौशल विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 17वें प्रतिवेदन की सिफारिश के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति।
आइटम नंबर 20 श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी।
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, sir, I rise to announce that the government business for the remaining part of the 7th session of Lok Sabha, it may consist of, number 1, consideration of any item of the government business carried over from today's order paper. It contains further discussions and voting on second batch of supplementary demands for the year 2021-22 and introduction, considerations and passing of the appropriations number 5, Bill 2021. Number 2, considerations agreeing to the amendments made by the Rajya Sabha to the Surrogacy Regulations Bill 2020 as passed by Lok Sabha. Second, consideration and passing of the following bills. Number 1, the National Anti-Doping Bill 2021. Number 2, the Wildlife Protections Amendment Bill 2021. Number 3, the Chartered Accountants, the Coast and Works Accountants and Company Secretaries Amendment Bill 2021. Item number 3, consideration and passing of the Mediation Bill 2021 after it is passed by Rajya Sabha. Item number 4, consideration and passing of the following bill after their introductions. Number 1, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021, the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 21 ध्यानाकर्षण प्रस्ताव पर यदि सभा की सहमति हो तो इसको अगले सप्ताह ले लिया जाए। ठीक है, चलिए।